Good morning, YouTubers, World Wide Web, loyal subscribers. Guys, the first thing I want to do is thank you for opting into the actual page. And today, guys, I want to talk about one of the biggest challenges that most internet marketers and affiliate marketers or anybody in the home-based business arena have is generating traffic. Okay, I know that it was a struggle for me, and it's probably a struggle for you too. So, guys, right now, I want you to take the time to actually study the page that you're on, because today, guys, you get to unlock my big banner ads marketing strategy. Okay, it's all right here on the page, guys. Everything that you need to wage a successful, unfair advantage, if you will, internet marketing email list building campaign. And so that's what my big banner ads marketing strategy is all about. So here's what's going to happen, guys. I want you guys to take the time, go through the page, and look at everything that you're going to actually get today for a one-time payment of just $7.99, if you can believe that. I must have slipped and bumped my head. But anyway, guys, I've been testing this traffic since late November of 2021. Once you guys are inside, you're going to get to see some of the results of some of that traffic that I've been testing, guys. The test that you guys are going to see the results of are actually the results of the only traffic that I've been using inside of the big banner ads marketing strategy. But get this, guys, that's not where your traffic and lead generation sources stop. I mean, you can see on the page everything that you're going to actually be able to pick up today. You're never going to have to worry about traffic ever again. And here's the deal, guys. I want you to use the traffic. I want you to send me your testimonials. And when you get those testimonials to me, I'm going to use them on my new Big Banner Ads Marketing Strategy sales page. If your testimonial is one of the ads that I use on my sales page, I'm going to run $30 worth of traffic for you just for your testimonial. Anyway, guys, I got miles to go before I sleep. It's a beautiful day outside, guys. I don't know what I'm getting ready to do, but I know what you guys need to do. Check out everything that you got available to you. Hit me up, CashApp me $7.99, and I'll get the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy and all of the bonuses you see inside to you within 24 hours. Thanks so much for being on the video, guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the members area.